Hi everyone, it's Neil and welcome to my channel and my family room, or not my family room, my office here. And today I have some more face masks. If you've seen some of my videos that have some other face masks, so then I'm gonna give these ones a try too. These ones were rated pretty good and they had soft fabric, so I thought, oh, okay, that'll be kind of nice to have soft fabric ones, so let's check it out. So this is the bag it comes in, and it comes with three masks. So there we go. And you can kind of see this one's black on the inside and the outside, but it feels like it has a few layers of fabric, but it doesn't have a place for like an N95 filter or one of those ones where it's super filtered. So this would be more of a casual-ish one, but it does have a little metal nose piece here, so it'll go on. And let's try it on here. And it fits. Seems to be pretty good. It's got a bit of a tight string. You see it's pulling my ear, so it's not the tightest, it's not the loosest fit of all, but if you're really gonna be out and about and doing something aggressive, this would probably stay on really good. And maybe if I stretch it out and use it more or wash it or something like that, it'll get a little bigger. But so that's what this one looks like. It's actually kind of cool. And it's really comfortable because it's easy to breathe through and pretty good. I mean, I like it except for the ear thingy, but if you have sensitive ears, it might not be the best. Let me see what happens if I have my glasses on. If I wear my glasses, yeah, it fits fine with my glasses. And it's not fogging them up. That's what I was trying to do now, fogging up. It doesn't fog up my glasses. So that's nice too. So I'm gonna give these one a thumbs up. So these are pretty good. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon, and links in the description. Thanks for watching, bye.